Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 5 versus iQOO Neo 7 device. So this is the iQOO Neo 7 which has got the Dimensity 8200 processor, and this is the Realme GT Neo 5 with the Snapdragon 8+Gen1 processor in this device. As you can see, this is a Realme GT Neo 5, and now I'm going to do the benchmark test for the first time comparing between these both phones. And I'm not using any kind of monster mode, no GT mode is used while performing this benchmark test. Maybe next time I'll try to use the GT mode and the monster mode. So this time let's not use anything and let's do the benchmark test, and we'll try to check the temperatures and we'll try to check the overall benchmark scores, how much difference you can actually expect between these both phones. So right now, as you can see friends, the test is going on between these both phones, and this is my first time doing the benchmark test as well in the Realme GT Neo 5, and I'm really excited to see how will be the temperatures and how will be the overall battery draining as well, how much CPU and the GPU difference you can actually see difference between these both phones. And this is a 8GB RAM version and this is a 16GB RAM model. So I thought of letting you guys know regarding the exact RAM model what I'm trying to use, 16GB, and this is a 8GB. So right now, as you can see friends, after 48% of the benchmark test, and this is the temperatures between these both phones. Snapdragon 8+Gen1 is slightly higher temperatures than the Dimensity 8200, and this is my room temperature. As you can see, this is my room temperature. And let me try to check the back side of the phone. So 36, 38 is the highest, and 34, 36 is the highest, and I will be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 90% of the benchmark test, and these are the temperatures, so still I did see 2 degrees Celsius difference between these both phones, so 37 and 35. Snapdragon 8+Gen1 and the Dimensity 8200 processor, you can see the difference, right? So exactly 2 degrees Celsius is maintaining most of the time the difference, and I will be back after some time, and this is my room temperature at this moment, and I'll be back at the end of the test results. So finally friends, this is the quick benchmark test comparison results what we got between these both phones, and you can definitely see the Snapdragon 8+Gen1 processor is pretty powerful than the Dimensity 8200. So there is a difference of close to 2 lakhs difference is there regarding the benchmark scores. So if you try to observe closely between these both phones, and the battery drained by 4% versus 5%, and temperature increased by 6.1 versus 7.4, and the high temperatures you can see, but I'm not sure what's showing here, but most of the time the Realme GT Neo 5 was able to have the slightly higher temperatures than the iQOO Neo 7 device, and you can compare the CPU and the GPU scores, which phone is having what kind of scores. But overall, these are the quick benchmark test results between the Realme GT Neo 5 versus iQOO Neo 7 device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.